In this video, you'll learn how to delete your Calendly account. This process involves several steps that you will follow through the Calendly website to ensure your account is removed completely. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to calendly.com. This action will take you to the main page of the Calendly website where you can access your account settings. Once the page loads, locate the profile icon typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu that provides various options related to your account. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Profile. This will redirect you to your account profile page where you can manage your settings and personal information. On the profile page, scroll down until you find the section that includes the Delete Account option. Clicking this link will initiate the process of account deletion, leading you to the next step. After you click Delete Account, you will receive a verification code sent to the email address associated with your Calendly account. Check your Gmail for this code, as it is necessary for confirming the deletion. Once you have the verification code, return to the Calendly page. You will need to paste the code into the designated field that appears after you click Delete Account. This step is crucial for verifying your identity. Next, click on the option labeled Select Reason. This will prompt you to choose a reason for your account deletion from a list of options. Select the reason that best fits your situation. After selecting your reason, you will see an option that states anything else you'd like to share. Click on this to provide any additional feedback if desired, though this is optional. Finally, click on the button that says Yes, Delete. This action will confirm your request to delete the account. You might see a confirmation message indicating that your account deletion is in progress, and it may take a moment to process. It is important to note that once your account is deleted, you will lose all associated data and settings. Ensure that you have backed up any necessary information before completing this process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.